Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change a domain in Zoho Mail. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Zoho account and go to the admin console. This is where you manage all settings, including domains. Once inside, click on Domains. Here you'll see a list of domains currently linked to your Zoho Mail account. Find the domain you want to change and click on it. This will display details about the domain, including the users and mailboxes connected to it. Before removing the old domain, you need to review all associated users. Any mailbox tied to the old domain must be reassigned or deleted. This step is important to avoid disruptions in email access. You can reassign users to the new domain by updating their email addresses or delete mailboxes if they are no longer needed. Be sure to notify users of these changes so they're aware of the updates. Once no users are linked to the old domain, click Delete to remove it from Zoho Mail. Then you will just need to click on the Add button and connect the updated domain. So that's basically how you can change a domain in Zoho Mail. That's it for this video. Thanks.